we have this great game now where we can actually change what the range of numbers is that you can guess. We give you clear instructions. Say, take a guess between 0 and some number that we say. Well, that's fun. It's great. But why not make it so that we can change the whole range? Instead of 0 to some number, make it some minimum number to some maximum number. So that's easy. We're just going to do the same thing we did before with max. We're going to create a variable now for min. So let's go right on top of max. We're going to type var min equals, let's say, 5. And just to make this easy, I'm going to make this 10 for now. Oh, I forgot my semicolon. Great. Now what we're really saying here is that we want 6 numbers that you can possibly choose from, right? It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the difference between max and min, and then one more added because you have to count the first one. So when we choose here math.random, number between 0 and 1, just under 1, we want to multiply it really by 6. The difference between max and min, and one more added. So let's do that here. All we have to say is max minus min plus one more. That'll make sure that we get 6 numbers. Okay, that's great. But the 6 numbers we're going to get are between 0 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we don't want from between 0 and 5. We want between 5 and 10. All we have to do is add min to it. Now it'll be 0 through 5, but with 5 added to all of them. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are going to be the possible numbers that we're going to guess. Okay, so this will work nice. We can take a guess. We can try it. And we can take a guess, let's say 4 or 5. 5 now is either going to make us win, or it's going to be the lowest possible, or it's going to be too low. Too low. And 10, either we're going to win or it's going to be too high. Okay, that seems to make sense, but, maybe it just worked that way this time. And we don't know for sure that our program is working properly. Maybe the next time we run, or 20 times we run this game from now, it's going to actually come up with a number of 100, and that'll be wrong. Well, in programming, what we often need to do is have a base case, or some really, really simple case that we know we can test easily. Let's try making min and max the same. We'll make them both 5. Now when we take a guess, we know definitively every time 4 should be too low, 6 should be too high, and 5 is definitely the right answer. So now when we take a guess, we'll say 4, too low. Good, that's what we were expecting. 6 should be too high, and 5 should be just right. Now I'm a lot more confident that this is correct code. So one issue is that you may have noticed whenever we click take another guess, it's telling us to take a guess between 0 and 5, but that's not correct anymore. Let's change that. What we really want is to take a guess between minimum and maximum. So let's change this 0 to be end the string and join or add the min variable, and then add the rest of the string. So now when we take a guess between 5 and 5, makes sense. It's a pretty easy game, but let's change that. Now let's make the minimum 100 and the maximum 200. This sounds like a great game. So let's take a guess. And we're going to do our simple testing. Try 100 should be too low, possibly we win, or 200 should be too high and possibly we win. Again, not the best way to test this, but we've already tested it with minimum equaling maximum. So 100, it was too low, and 200 should be too high. Great, everything's working beautifully. Well, let's close out this web page with a title. So let's just call it Guess the Number. And you can see as I'm typing the title, Chrome is updating this. Maybe because it's a title, we capitalize the N. This game looks really nice now.